wonderful morning, everybody. It's cold. Very cold today. I was supposed to get down to 1 degree last night. I don't know if I managed to get there. It's currently 4 degrees. But there's a vicious wind chill. So it feels a lot colder. It feels more like -3, -4. Jesus, it's a perfect day. Great temperature. No problems at all here. Perfect for a husky. Hey, perfect for a husky. Where do you want to go now? I don't know, Dad. Where do you want to go, Dad? There's nothing out here. It's just very industrial. I know we've been to the cemetery recently, but it was very foggy and I couldn't record much because we were with Auntie Louise. And there's my neighbour's old truck down there. There it is, the green one, the Mac. Because he's retired now, and I think he might have sold that truck. I'm not too sure if he's sold it or he's just relocated it here and he comes down every now and again and drives it. This is one of the ceremony places. So they've got a few here, or a couple, 2 I think. So they've got the main building. And they've got this one here, so if it's a local one around here, you can actually, you don't have to walk all the way from the main office all the way here. Magpie. Haven't seen any here, not today. So you can see that they're expanding down here on this side. And this area is quite old, 1929. So early 20s to probably mid-20s. A lot of family plots because that's the thing back then. So here's your ashes. So you still can do a plaque for ashes in there. And these guys look after all the licenses and everything like that. So that's why a lot of people do it this way. Still get buried in an urn. So this is the main highway to New South Wales. This one. So the one near us, the highway near us, joins onto this eventually. So we've got 2 highways south, but one doesn't go that far. It goes more further north. This one doesn't go very far north, this highway. This highway just goes pretty much to out west, and that's it. Goes to Longreach, which is near the Northern Territory border. Through the deserts. She's enjoying herself. You might also wonder why we're actually down here. Well, we need the car. Because she's got a package, 2 packages to pick up. One of them is her birthday present. They're sitting at the post office. So I'm going to go to the post office. And the car's got no fuel in it. Jerry can's got next to no fuel in it. She says something. Anyway, we'll leave it to you with you. We'll see you later, everyone. Take care. Have a fantastic day.